In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find data on the type of devices your viewers are using to watch your YouTube videos. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to get this data, we need to go to YouTube Studio and then look for analytics. So I'm in my YouTube Studio and therefore I'll just go to analytics here. And under analytics, click on overview, and under overview, click on see more to see expanded view of your data. So we have here our data statistics. This is under the content. However, we are interested in devices that viewers are using. So I'll go ahead and click on drop down arrow and then scroll down until you see device type. So if you click on this, now you can see the devices that your viewers are using, and top on the list for my case is mobile phones, and then we have those who view over TV and computer as well as tablets, and you can see the total number of views per each for the last 28 days. So if you wish to get the information for the whole year, just go ahead and change this to maybe the last 365 days and you'll find the data is available. Should you want to see data for lifetime, then just change this and you'll see a breakdown of the devices your viewers are using to watch your videos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.